Good afternoon, students. Today I discuss chapters 7, and the theorem is that given that the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. So how to prove it? First we take an isosceles triangle A, B, C. Let AB equals to AC. Then prove that the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. Then how to prove it? So we take our constructions. Simple construction given construction AD be angle bisector of angle BAC. Means in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB equals to BAC given, angle BAD equals to angle CAD by construction, and ADB common, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by side angle side by SAS. Then angle ABD equals to angle ACD by CPCD. Means that angle are, so both the AB and AC are equal, so in opposite angles are also equal. Next theorem is 2.3. The sides opposite to the equal angle of a triangle are equal. Just converse of that the previous theorem. So we draw a triangle A, B, C. We take any two angles are equal. I will take angle B and C. Angle A, B, C equals to angle A, C, B. Given question that the sides opposite the equal angles are equal. So where we draw a perpendicular from A. Constructions. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. So how to draw the perpendicular? If the constructions we just wants to anyone say, sir, how to? We take a arc from that, cut in a 2 point. After taking the 2 points, we draw a perpendicular bisector and we draw and meet. That's the perpendicular. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Angle ABD equals to angle ACD. AD common. And angle ADB equals to angle ADC. So triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by, we cannot write as A because two angles are that but not a including side, so we write AAS category. Two angles, so rest of the third angle are also equal to the third angle. Then we say that so देखो एंगल साइड एंगल से भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएगा कब, जब ये आप ऐसे लिखोगे तो हम डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं AAS. सो एंगल triangles are congruent, so we say that AB equals to AC by CT. Next questions. In a triangle ABC, E and F are the midpoint of AB and AC. AB and AC are the equal sides, so that BF बराबर CF. At the midpoint are equal. So how to solve it? So सबसे पहले आप फाइंड आउट करोगे हमें करना क्या है, ये चीज मिलेगा कहाँ. BF इक्वल टू CE मीन्स BF यहाँ है और CE यहाँ है. अब देखो कि वो कौन सा दो ट्रायंगल्स है जिसमें ये लाई करेगा. तो देखो अब इसमें भी हो सकता है BCF और BCE, ये दो ट्रायंगल में भी ये लाई कर रहा है. या देखो यहां से AFB और AEC दोनों में लाई कर रहा है. तो हम एक एक करके देखते हैं. फर्स्ट, इन ट्रायंगल BCE and triangle BCE and triangle BCF. BCE and BCF. BCE such type of triangle, BCF is that. So which conditions you just अब देखो AB equals to AC means half of AB is equal to half of AC, because E and F are the midpoint and AB and AC are the equal. So half of AB is equal to half of AC. Solution BE equals to CF, also written that. E and F be the midpoint of equal side AB and AC. Next BC is common, या उसके पहले एक एंगल डाल लो. अब देखो ABC एक ट्रायंगल है. ये कौन सा ट्रायंगल है? आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है. तो अभी हम लोगों ने क्या देखा था कि अपोजिट ऑफ द इक्वल्स angles opposite of the equal sides are equal. So we say that angle EBC equals to angle FCB. First of all, BCE and BCB common, side angle side. So triangle BCE congruent to triangle BCF by SAS. Then BF equals to CE. Proof. Next, some students have taken another triangle in triangle AEC and triangle AFB. Then also AB equals to AC. So half of AB is equal to half of AC. Then AB, half of AE equals to AF. Angle A is common. And AB equals to AC. So triangle AEC congruent to triangle AFB by SAS. Then also we say that BF equals to C by CPCD. Both the methods, we take any one, not only we do all the questions by the different but in a practice we do the different type of methods or different searching the different triangles to prove it. But in answers we just in examinations we do only the one type of the solution, no both. दोनों में से कोई एक बनाना है, दोनों की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आप दोनों करो, और भी हो सकता है अगर आप ढूंढ सकते हो तो वो और भी ढूंढ के बना सकते हो, लेकिन जब एग्जाम होगा उसमें कोई एक मेथड्स को आपको यूज करना है. ये नहीं कि सर आपने तो बताया था इसलिए मैंने सबको बना दिया, नहीं, किसी एक मेथड्स को आपको यूज करना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, just like the same type of the question but it is the different. Where you are given only the PQ is equal to PR. PQ and PR are equal. Angle Q equals to angle R. So prove that the PQS and PRT both the triangle are congruent. So how to prove? So in triangle PQS and triangle PRT, first PQ is equal to PR given. Next, angle PQS equals to angle PRT. Angle Q and angle R are equal. Or such angles are common. So angle PB common. So triangle PQS congruent to triangle PRT by which category? Angle side angle. That's the triangle. Angle side angle. In second triangles also angle, side angle. Next questions. In isosceles triangle ABC, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. D and E are the points on BC, such that BE बराबर CD means BE बराबर CD. Then prove that AD is equal to A. AD is equal to AE means that's the proving. So first of all, again I say that first of all you find out that the lie on the which triangle. We also take the A, B, D and A, C, E. A, B, D and A, C, E, that's the sides are also lie. May or be different type of the triangles are also there including that side. So in first case, yeah, first method, and first thing we take in triangle ABD and triangle ACE. Where angle AB, side AB equals to AC given. Next, angle ABD equals to angle ACB, ACE. Angles equals to opposite of equal side. इक्वल साइड्स के अपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल्स होते हैं, वहां से तुम्हें मिल गया. अब देखो एक साइड चाहिए और हमें, तो देखो BD इक्वल्स टू EC कैसे होगा. तो देखो BE इज इक्वल टू CD such that BE is equal to CD. अब देखो BE also written that BD plus DE equals to CD CE plus D. इसी साइड ले जाओ तो क्या होगा, वो टर्मिनेट कर जाएगा, इसलिए BD is equal to C. So both the triangles are congruent by the triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACE by a side angle side. So AD equals to AE by CPCD. और भी मेथड हो सकता है, चलो देखते हैं और भी ढूंढते हैं. सेकेंड मेथड, सेकेंड फाइंड आउट करना है कि ये किस में और लाइन करेगा. तो देखो A B E second triangle E A B C, two different triangles. And A B E also like the AD and so second case or triangle ABE and triangle ADC. ABE, ABE or ACD. Where AB equals to AC given, or angle ABE equals to angle ACD, opposite of equal sides. Then to next, BE equals to CD also given. Then side angle side, so triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD by side angle side, also AE equals to AD by CP CT. Your homework is complete do the exercise of 7.2 NCERT, question number 1 to 5. Thank you. For next day we discuss the same chapters on the different